Hypoxia, a lack of oxygen, can occur without obvious symptoms. You could be suffering from hypoxia even as you are breathing and your heart is beating. When hypoxia affects an organ in your body, the cells in the hypoxic organ becomes oxygen-starved and energy production shuts down, and harmful transformations start in the cells. Oncologists today recognize that hypoxia in a cancer makes it more aggressive in behavior and more resistant to treatment. In September 2016, scientists published an article in the highly regarded scientific journal Nature, explaining that hypoxia causes DNA changes in cancer cells that make their growth harder to suppress. What are other illnesses linked to hypoxia? Cancer, dementia, diabetes, fatty liver, stroke. These are some of the common illnesses that plague a large majority of our population. Let's now look at diabetes, a chronic condition that affects more than 400 million people in the world today. In a study conducted by Harvard Medical School researchers, diabetes patients have 10 to 15% lower tissue oxygen levels in their body compared to individuals without diabetes. Scientists in Australia have also shown that placing people with diabetes in a high oxygen environment can improve their insulin function and their blood sugar control. It is without a doubt that diabetes complications are associated with hypoxia. For example, diabetic retinal disease, diabetic kidney disease, and diabetic foot ulcers. These are all diabetic complications which develop and are aggravated due to hypoxia. Hypoxia is associated with many disease conditions that plague the people closest to us. Fight hypoxia and make sure you get the oxygen your body needs. Let us show you how. Since hypoxia is only a deficiency of oxygen, its prevention and cure can be obtained simply through the following strategies. Presently available medical treatments to increase your body's oxygen levels are not easily accessible. Methods such as the hyperbaric oxygen chamber are associated with serious side effects of burst eardrums, burst lungs, and brain complications. Using mask oxygen requires oxygen tanks, which are not portable and can pose a fire hazard at home. Presenting to you an alternative option, Elo Water, powered by HyFlux. Elo Water's special technology allows oxygen to be carried in the water in a unique and stable form and is easily absorbed by our body. It is safe, additive-free, chemical-free, and enhances your health and overall well-being. For more than a decade in Europe and since 2015 in Singapore, Elo Water has been consumed as a drinking water suitable for both healthy and health-challenged people. We are currently also conducting clinical trials with local government hospitals and polyclinics to scientifically prove the goodness of Elo Water for chronic conditions. Visit us today to find out more.